Hindi ko type.
Cute naman.
Bakit?
Ang cute mo nga dyan.
Ayoko.
Ayaw mo.
Ayoko may ka. Mukhang ano din.
Mukhang totoy.
Oo.
Ano ba yan? Dapat,
Tapos pa ba? Okay din.
dapat yung pants mo na puti eh.
Okay lang. Saan ba?
Mag-tiktok daw muna kami guys. Sige.
Bilis ayusin natin.
Oo, sige. Ayusin na namin guys ha.
Ayusin mo dyan. May kayong phone mo.
Okay, fine. So, dito tayo. Teka lang guys ha. Tanggalin natin ang mga kalat.
Mag-headband kaya ako.
Wag!
Okay.
Ba't ka mag-headband?
Huwag din naman ako naka-headband ha. Di ba? Ay, wag na
Ang
pala.
lapad na no. O, dali. I don't know how I feel. Teka lang guys ha. Wait lang natin ang TikTok ni David. And ang tagal-tagal niya.
Okay, babe.
Oh. Ba't kinaganyan ba?
Oh my
Okay, fine. Mami, naka-live ako. Huwag ka magbumura. Naka-live.
Yung ano yung slippers ko nilaw.
Di ba? Magulo po dito sa amin. Okay, ayan na. To the right! Oh, late tayo.
Payos pa.
Sabi sa'yo eh. Okay. Pusang gala. Okay guys, tapos na kayo mag-TikTok. Tapos na mag-TikTok. So,
Talk about
wow.
somewhere only we know. This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere only we know? Ano naman po ito?
Talaga ba? Wow, tinuruan ako. Hindi ko nakuha yung tono. Mali ba? O, ikaw na kumanta. O, meron pa.
No? Oh, simple thing, where have we gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you gotta let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. Next minute, why don't we go? Talk about it somewhere only we know. This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere only we know?
Ano ba yun? Aray ko. Okay. Thank you, Thinglik sa saaw nyo. Ano ba yun? Ano ba tawag nun? Thank you sa mga nagsasend. Just keep on sending. Oh, thank you, Mami Vanji, sa pa-diamond shower. What I was made for. Mukha antok daw ang beshi ko. Taking a try. I was an ideal. Looked so alive. Turns out I'm not real. Just something you paid for. What I was made for. Parang hindi ako aantokin. ganito yung mga tugtugan natin. Papikit na ang mata mo, GK. O, pagod po talaga ako. Please say hi to Secretary Olet. If I had my way, you know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Why you go and follow? No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Antukin tayo guys, lipat tayo. I never dreamed, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was for kids. Just a childish thing. And I could swear love is just a game the children play, and no more than a game. Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. Okay guys, so thank you so much for staying. May bukas pa naman, may live pa tayo tomorrow. Huwag daw gamit ulo ang pulutan. Diba? Meron po na po umiiyak sa table number 8. Ay, Mami Vanji, salamat. Tumabol pa talaga si Mami Vanji. Ayan. Anyway, sabangan nyo na lang yung mga latest vlog ko, Thailand vlog, and marami pang ibang susunod. Check out my YouTube channel. May bago po akong upload kanina lang. Check out my TikTok, my Instagram, Gandang Kara Pulat. Hanapin nyo lang po, or Gandang Kara Official. Thank you so much. Bye guys! Good night!